How to log out of Fiverr. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of your Fiverr account on mobile device. So unlike any other apps, Fiverr doesn't have a direct logout button, but I will walk you through the steps to do it properly. So without further ado, let's get started. So before logging out, it's important to back up your chats so you don't lose any important messages. So to do that, open the WhatsApp on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the more icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, on the menu section, simply tap on the option label settings. And once you are in the settings section, simply select account. Now tap on Viber Backup and follow the steps to back up your chats, photos and videos. And as I have said earlier, since Fiverr doesn't have a logout button, the only way to log out is by clearing the app data. So to do that, simply exit the app and long press on the app icon. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on App Info. And after tapping on that, you'll be prompted to the app settings. Now here at the bottom right corner, you can see the option labeled clear data. So tap on that and the pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you simply need to tap on clear all data and clear cache. And once you have cleared all the data and cache, you can simply open the Fiverr again, and now you can see the login screen confirming that you have successfully logged out of your account. And that's it. That's how you can log out of Fiverr on mobile device. And if this video was helpful, then consider liking the video and stay updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.